I'ma need safety. Tell her op can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical. I'm out in Central America. I need a break from hysteria. Park like the one with the carousel. I get it lit in your area. I'm locked to the vision that made me supreme with the sound through the stereo. So turn it up loud when you hearing us. We live and it's good in your area. My mama proud, she tearing up and it's going down. Got your girl aroused by these massive.
So coming into 2022, I told myself I wanted to be a little bit more active, you know, do some form of exercising, right? So we're literally in June, you know, we're half a year right now and that has not happened as yet. However, I found a place, a gym that does spin therapy on Saturdays that you can just pop in at any time. Well, you can just pop in, you don't need to book an appointment, first come first serve business. It's every Saturdays at 7 a.m. and it's $1,000 GMD. So I figured since I haven't, you know, started gym or anything like that, the spin therapy would definitely be a starter for me, and I thought it would be good to share to you guys. If you're not aware of it and you want to, you know, be a little bit more active in your life, this is definitely a starter. I think the class is around half an hour, 45 minutes. I'm not sure. However, when I get there, then, you know, I'll know what the deal is. But like I said, it's first come first serve. Just $1,000 for the class. Very affordable for persons who live here in Jamaica. You know, if you want to just start something fresh, want to get into the whole active world, this is definitely a good time. This is definitely a starter. Or for persons, you know, who don't live in Jamaica, you know, that's what my channel is about, to showcase my culture, my island. Persons who's coming here for vacation in Jamaica, specifically Kingston. You know, people do exercise on vacation, right? So why not, you know, tell you guys about this. So I'm gonna head there now, and then after that I'm gonna be having breakfast. This is the first I'm going to this place. It's called Ragamuffin, cute little coffee place. So yeah, so that would be a review, and I'll see you guys later.
Money coming, money go. I've been at it on the low. Trapping out of where I live. I keep seeing the leaders doing this. We talking plans and maybe seeing you. Pull up on you, let me scoop. Nobody here but me and you. Got a little ring to it, turn that thing fluid in the coupe. Way you look, I know it's real. I'm on my Marshawn shit. I been really getting feel. You know why I'm here, don't act like you don't know how I feel. But let me tell you what you mean to me. Slide on me for that meet and greet. Vibe with me under moonshine, sipping moonshine to the new sky. Sage toasted and be raised soak in the raincoat. Hit the waves quota, I be flossing. I be locked in, I was lost here. All that turned me to a target. Niggas plotting on me, I be cautious. Back then I was an adolescent, then I had a lesson. I'm the man now, I got fans now, I'm on cam now. I got plans now, I'm finna branch out. Grew up quick, but never let go this year. All of that bullshit is in my rip. Hey, blue tin papers, blowing vapors, wooden traders. Long hair killer in my villa, bitch, I made it. Used to play to play, now I think we major now. She wanna lay me down. I say you down for me, say you hold it all the way down.
So we're here at the Ragamuffin Coffee Bar just to grab some breakfast. So this is my first time here, and it's very nice and a cute coffee bar. One unique thing about this place is that they have a hostel. So if you're a traveler, you know, and you normally stay at hostels, this would be a very good spot for you. I will add their Instagram information down below so you can, you know, reach out if you wish or if you're interested. So let's move on to the food, because food is life. So I ordered the yam and scrambled bagel, which comes with the regular eggs, bacon, pickled cheese, and I also got the lemonade. That was very refreshing. Overall, the meal was pretty good. I had no complaints. It was tasty. Really loved the bagel, and that entire thing, it came to $1,500. So another thing that I liked about this place, it's not overpriced. The food is very affordable. There's not much to really say. It's a cute little coffee place and I do recommend it. So yeah, out of 5, I give them a 5, of course. No complaints at all. So in ending this video, I decided to show you guys what I did in the night. So I went to a soca event. It's called Soca Forever. Hashtag Soca is life if you don't know. If you're a soca lover, if you are a carnival lover, please drop a comment down below. So yeah, just showing you guys, how we party here in Jamaica. Partying, music is a big part of our culture. And I have a video coming up soon where it's just a video of showcasing all of the events that I've been to throughout the 2 months. And I really hope you guys enjoyed. It's just to show you guys our culture and what to expect. However, I mostly attend soca events. I'm a soca lover, I'm a carnival lover, but nonetheless, you will still get that Jamaican vibes. Also, Carnival is coming in Jamaica July 10th. If you're not booked yet, you should be booked because that's going to be a vibe. So enjoy this video, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.